Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Walmart detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase passive income with Walmart, begin by understanding the various options available for earning through the platform. Research the Walmart affiliate program to see how you can promote products offered on the Walmart website. Sign up for the affiliate program on the Walmart website. Once accepted, explore the vast range of products that Walmart offers. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and market demand. Create content centered around that niche, such as blogs, videos, or social media posts. Incorporate affiliate links into your content to direct your audience to Walmart products. Utilize SEO strategies to increase the visibility of your content on search engines. Consider creating a dedicated website or landing page to centralize your efforts. Leverage social media platforms to expand your reach and drive traffic to your content. Explore Walmart's online clearance and rollback sections for promotional content. Purchase products at a lower price to resell them on platforms like eBay or Amazon for a profit. Research products that are trending and have high demand to maximize your resale profits. Leverage Walmart's grocery delivery services by signing up as a DoorDash or Uber Eats driver. Consider investing in Walmart stock for dividend income to further enhance your passive income sources. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategies based on what works best for your audience. Stay updated on Walmart's promotions, sales, and new product launches to offer fresh content. Establish partnerships with other content creators to broaden your audience base. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged over time. Create informative newsletters that offer value beyond just promotions. Explore dropshipping through Walmart by partnering with suppliers to sell their products directly. Conduct market research to identify which products have the most lucrative margins for dropshipping. Respond to customer inquiries promptly to build trust and loyalty. Analyze your income streams regularly to identify which methods yield the best returns. Continue to educate yourself on new techniques and strategies in the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape. Adapt your approach based on feedback and analytics to improve your results. By systematically following these steps, you can effectively increase your passive income through Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.